Hey guys, check out this really awesome self-watering system that actually hooks up to your Wi-Fi. So anytime I go on trips, I always forget to water my plants. I end up killing them, and this one here is a lifesaver. This was super easy to set up. Let me show you everything it comes with. Right here is the main pump, and then you have your tubing, and I love it because it gives you so much tubing so you can customize it for however many plants you have. These right here are the little stakes that stick into your plants where the water's going to drip through, and here you would connect the tubing to. You have your little connector pieces here, and then it gives you some zip ties too so you can connect it to anything that you need to hold it into place. So right here's my little system I have for my 2 plants. You can hook this up to your Wi-Fi and connect it to your phone so you can actually control everything from your phone, which is awesome. Right now I'm going to show you just here. You can manually hit it for the drip. So I'm going to go ahead and push this button right on here. And the pump goes ahead and starts pumping. The water I have in the back, there's a cup of water here. And then as you can see, I'm going to lift it out here. You can see the water's coming right out in a nice steady flow. And it does go ahead and disperse this right through each one. Here's the other one here. Just stick it in. And like I said, you can hook this up to as many as you need to. I love it. You can use it in like your little greenhouse. I'm going to turn this off here. You can use this if you have like a little indoor greenhouse or if you just have a lot of plants that you need to keep watered. So here is the different tubes. You have your one on the top is your input and the one on the bottom is your output. The input goes into the whatever container you have that's filled with water, and obviously the output will go into your plants. On the app is really cool. So when you open up your phone, the app, you can set it for different timers. So if you are on vacation, it gives you real life notifications. So it will tell you, say you have your alarm set at 11, you're gonna get a notification at 11 every single day that it is watering your plants. So that way you know your plants are nice and watered, and when you come home, they're gonna look beautiful for you. So if you're looking for an easy way to keep your plants watered just by the click of a button on your phone, this watering system right here is a great option. Thanks for watching.